Come and look at what's outside.
Why is it snowing again? It keeps snowing and snowing.
What do you think of that? What do you think of that snow, Landon?
It's stupid snow.
You don't want it to snow in the spring anymore? Why not?
Because
It makes you mad? I think a lot of other people are probably mad today too. What do you want the weather to be like outside?
not cold.
Warm, not cold?
Yeah.
Alright, put your request in. It'll get warm again soon. You have anything else to say?